All right, so we were supposed to go back into Arches today to get the last of the scenery that we wanted to see, the last of the arches that we wanted to go and explore. But we also needed to move camp today because we're going to new locations further south of Moab. But what I want to film today is not only more arches, the missing details that we want to see, but also Dad is now doing carrying the trailer with him, so we've got some pretty aggressive terrain to go through. And so here he comes, and we'll just kind of guide him through this. And he's got a pretty nice receiver on the back for the trailer, off-road receiver, so it can flex in all crazy angles. Technically, the trailer could actually be entirely upside down and it won't affect the Jeep itself. Not that we want that, but it could. So anyways, I just wanted to get these details because we've seen this terrain. We've gone over this terrain twice now, but he has never taken the trailer through this. And so this is the real off-road slick rock stuff. So here he comes. You remember the path? What? Do you remember the right path to go through? No. So here's the first ledge. Woo! Oh man. Nice.
This. We've done this like 3 times.
Yeah, we have.
I was like debating whether I was going to air down or not even.
Well, it seems to be handling all this pretty well. Oh man. And that's the toughest spot right there. So after this, it's all smooth sailing. Look at that, like a champ. All right, well, that was the good stuff. Let's get to the arches.
Look, that's it.
All right, we are at Fiery Furnace. And according to the sign, the color that it gets, this more copperish tone, is from the iron that is actually in these, what do they call them? Hoodoos?
Yeah.
So yeah, take a look at those. It's pretty awesome. This is unique structures for sure, just kind of speckled in here amongst the other style of rock terrain. So we're walking down to a little viewpoint. Not sure if we're gonna hike over to them. It looks like there is a little trail that goes that way, but it's pretty hot out, so I don't know how long we'll want to stand outside in this It's cloudless sky right now. All right, let's see what better view we can get. All right, so we're going to Sand Dune Arch, the fiery furnace. Turns out you can't really go down into it without a permit or a ranger to go with you. But this is pretty cool because check this out. We're going to be going into the rocks themselves to get to these arches. So this is going to be pretty sweet. Which also means it should be shady, at least a little bit.
It's supposed to be shade, yeah, at the 2 arches. Okay.
Wow, look at this. This is just fantastic. Just a little pathway opens up into this little courtyard style.
It's nice. I like this. You got to like living something like that.
Well, this you can actually enjoy. You're not standing on the surface of the sun and hoping for an ounce of a wind. Wow, whoa.
Oh my goodness, you guys.
This is sweet.
Just turn around, you guys. Dad, turn around. 1, 2, 3.
And tell there's 3 more people.
We're going into a cave.
3 more?
Oh, wow.
Oh, the girls are back in there.
Where are we going? Thunder.
Ooh, look at up.
This is it. I think it did ends.
Does it go through?
Oh, Buzz.
Looks a little sketchy.
Come on, Buzz. Let me in. I want to go in.
That's cool. If you got claustrophobia, it's probably not the best thing. Awesome.
Got too much of a filter on, but my kids are in there. Oh, this is pretty sweet. Just kind of hug the shade on the sides as much as you can.
You always say that as soon as you get out. Shade! Shade! Jesse, look! Shade! I'm never going out.
Hear the wind blowing through this?
Yes.
Or is that a jet?
The wind? Wow, this is so cool. I like this one.
This one was worth getting out of the Jeep for.
Yes. Yes. Nice and cool. Nice.
Jazz, your shoes untied. Might want to do it in the shade before you go into the sun.
The sun is hot. I'm in the shade. I mean the sand.
Shade. Look.
Oh, I think we found the arch. Right here. We did. Oh my goodness, that sand is hot. Wow, look at that.
Oh, look at that sand. We found the arch.
It's above your head.
We can't flip our heads. It's super short.
I said it's above your head. Wow. This is pretty sweet.
Guys, look, there might be another hole right there.
Careful, slippery.
What do you call it?
Sand Dune Arch. Yeah, this is turning out pretty nice little sides trail to go on. Hike into. It's not very far. Distances kind of vary, but they did a good job of balancing out how far you have to hike in the sun.
Sleep. Going to bed at 1 a.m. for.
You going to sleep near them?
I did not sleep last night, no. On this death march to nowhere.
It is like a mission to Mars. Red.
So this is we're the first journey into Mars, the unknown. We'll eventually get there, and maybe Mars will have arches and they'll charge you thousands of dollars to go see them. Well, we're getting close. We kind of changed terrain a little bit. We're kind of into the small shrubbery and cactus dwelling among the rocks. But up ahead, we can see the arch we're heading to, or at least we think that's the arch that we're heading to. This one is going to be called Broken Arch. Kaija, come on! Come on! You can make it. Jazzy, keep going.
I'm hot. Keep off the arch.
All right, so trail continues through Arch. Oh boy. We can, this death march doesn't end. So we're right here through the Arch. Get the shade of the Arch, it'll be cooler. If there's shade. Oh wow, look at that. Well, why do they call it broken if it's still complete?
Oh, I see it.
Maybe because of the crack.
It's pretty cool though.
Finally.
What are you guys relaxing here for? Come on, man. It's not that hot. It's only like 112
What?
in the shade.
Mentioning how hot it is makes it worse.
I think Han Solo said the same thing. Don't ever tell me the odds.
And we have the best seat in the world.
So they call this Broken Arch. I'm not exactly sure why.
I see why.
Other than maybe it broke, it used to be more rounded or something. I don't know.
I know why. Because from over there, there's a V in the thing.
Oh, so it's got a crack right down the middle, which means if it decides to have a sudden earthquake, we'll die.
Oh yeah, that's not very helpful to everybody that comes here, but yeah, we'll die.
Through.
So we're gonna just,
We are in the worst spot.
yeah, we're in the worst part of all time.
It's almost as cool as the cave. Oh, here's the trail. That's pretty cool though. It's pretty warm out here. All right, well, we made it to the Broken Arch. For whatever reason, it's called that. And so we're gonna rest for a few, and then we're gonna hike back to the cars because it's hot. All right, so we moved camp into a new location. We're now no longer near Moab. We've moved south further down 191 towards Monticello, if that's the way you say it, Monticello. We're up in the mountains outside of it, and it's a lot cooler. It's almost 9,000 feet where we're at, so its temperature is not boiling hot anymore. In fact, I had to get my jacket back on, and so anyways, we're gonna do, I'm not sure if we're gonna stay here one night, 2 nights, and move on to somewhere else. This is just a pit stop. I'm not sure. So anyways, in the meantime though, we're in the southern part of Canyonlands. So there are things for us to do here. We just have to kind of figure out what they are. And anyways, so we had a long eventful day of checking out the arches. We discovered there were still some arches we missed and we really wanted to see, but we had drove all the way out until we figured that out. It was like, anyways, it was still a good day. So let's find out what's for supper. Hun, what are you making for dinner?
We're gonna have chili mac for dinner tonight, since it's been a while since I've made that, and it's just a nice, good, filling recipe, and the kids like it because who doesn't like chili and mac and cheese kind of mixed together? And then I'm just food prepping for tomorrow for our lunches for the vegetables that I got at the store so they don't go bad.
Nice chili mac. We've had that before. It was good.
The kids loved it.
Well, that's the important things. Do the kids eat it? And if they don't eat it, then we don't make it. No, I'm just kidding. We make them eat their vegetables and whatever else. Let's see. Well, maybe I'll circle back to Tony and Devin because they're still middle of organizing some things. And let's check out what Mom and Dad are having for dinner. So,
Up a little.
turn it up. What are you having for dinner?
There. Oh, we're just eating simple.
some hamburger with onions and some chips.
Modified hamburger.
Yeah, we've got buns, but we don't feel like having any buns tonight.
Nice.
Yeah, so just really easy.
All
Not
right.
feeling real hungry.
Yeah, I haven't been hungry too much.
Yeah,
I think the heat is just kind of sucking all the life out of you.
yeah. And when you're tired too, you know, it's like.
Yeah.
But yeah, so it made it easy. I just needed to cook up. But I'm gonna make a pasta for noodles to make a salad tomorrow.
Yeah, Andrew is prepping stuff too for tomorrow.
Yeah,
So.
it's something easy.
All right.
All
Well,
right.
enjoy the meal.
All right, thank you.
Kyla Asta, how's it going?
Fine.
Yeah. Oh, what are you making for dinner?
Steak and potatoes.
Nice.
Yep.
Hope so.
Looks
To
good.
be cooking good.
Those look like JoJo's.
Yeah.
Yep.
I was trying to think of the name. Those look pretty good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're the steaks from your aunt-in-law.
Oh, from the cow
we bought.
Cow we got. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
So we've been saving them for a day like this, and well, they thawed out earlier today, and are you? Yeah, they've been thawed out, and so we had to cook them today.
Looks good.
But yeah, looks good. And we don't ever cook steaks, so this is
We're trying to kill it.
Kill it. Yep.
well done.
Well done. Dead twice.
Yep.
That's all right.
Yeah. But
Yeah, those
we'll
sticks
have
are good.
extra for tomorrow because that's a lot of meat.
Yeah, dice it up and put it into maybe your eggs in the morning or something.
Oh wow!
Steak and eggs.
Steak for breakfast. That's fancy.
Well, enjoy the meal. Looks good. Oh, there we go. Tony and Devin, you're over here now. What are you having for dinner?
Monte Cristo sandwiches.
Wait,
Monte Cristo sandwiches?
the
Oh. Do you have like a sauce on the top of it?
It's raspberry jam.
Oh, wow.
So it's French toast, bread,
Donnie.
turkey,
Hold on a second.
American cheese, ham, Swiss, and then jam on top.
Wow.
It's actually really tasty.
I was going to say, that sounds tasty.
It's weird. I was like, he mentioned it, he's like, they're so good. I'm like, I don't know. And then I tried it. I'm like, they're so good. Yeah, they're really good.
All right. I like the creativity on that. That's awesome. Okay. Well, how do you keep your hands from getting sticky?
Yeah, we usually do open face, but I was trying to do smaller sandwiches, but the bread was a lot smaller than the meat, and it's just a mess now.
All right. Well, enjoy it. Looks good.
It's delicious.
I'll have to maybe remember that recipe for next time.
Look what we're having.
Yep, I saw. Oh, is it ready?
Yep, chili mac.
Chili mac, yummy. All right, I'm gonna go get some. All right, well, I guess that's the end of today, and we'll have more coming for you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.